Amazon. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect Wix to Amazon. So first, you just have to simply open your Wix, or if you don't have an account, then you must create an account here. Now, once you're on your Wix dashboard, you have to scroll down here on the left side, and then you have to click application or apps. Here on apps, you have to search for Amazon. But basically, if you're using the basic version, you will not see that Amazon application right away. Instead, you will see here other options such as Amazon with Wix. But don't worry, you can also try that one. So all you have to do is to click that once you see that Amazon with Wix, or if you see Amazon here, if you are using the upgraded version, then that's fine, that's better. But if you can't see that, then you just have to simply look for Amazon with Wix, and all you have to do is to add this to your page or add this to your store. So once you have added this, then you can go back to your Wix dashboard. And then on the left side, you will see there Amazon. And all you have to do is to click that one. But in order for you to connect your Amazon with your Wix, you need to upgrade your plan because you cannot connect your Amazon with your Wix using the basic version or the free version. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.